guys, I'm on my way to City Hall since I'm gonna meet up with my friend and I'm all alone right now. I'm nervous since it's my first time traveling all by myself here in Singapore. So this is the waiting line. Gotta wait for 5 minutes here at the train station before the train arrives. It's really organized here and very disciplined. See you guys later. Okay, so I'll just wait for my friend here. I'm at the City Hall station and it'll take him longer time. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit around here and wait for around 20 to 30 minutes. I see a lot of people here. Anyways, I'll see you later. Once he comes. Still waiting here. Patience, legend, you are here. Blessed. Yeah. Tanjong Pagar, Outram Park, Queenstown, Marina Bay. Oh, there's Marina here. Manila, Marina. My favorite station. Hey! What's up? Waiting for 30 minutes in this here.
Oh, sorry.
This is Justin. My classmate back in elementary. And we're on our way. We're going to where first?
I don't know, after. Find a way out of this.
I'll find a way out of this first. Here's the Marina Bay. Wow.
You know, behind this building is the Department of Justice.
Really?
Yeah, where you take all your...
National Gallery Singapore. What's inside there?
Like the gallery and the museum. I think it's free.
Really? Wow. So nice. So we're heading to the National Gallery of Singapore.
We're having a fun ice cream festival.
Do you have to pay for that or for free?
I have to pay for that.
Oh yeah, you have to pay for that. We are. Oh, you just need stickers here. Wow. So, we're going to level 2.
This one is the... Okay, I think it's portrayed as
Is the artist?
the first Prime Minister of Singapore.
Ooh.
And this one is before independence.
Really?
Yeah.
So the painting is all about what Singapore looks like
It's
before.
called batik painting.
Batik paintings?
Yeah.
进来的时候是给的，然后就贴了，就是
Oh, they have Chinese, of course. It's Chinese. Poncho. Pictorial site. Ooh. The construction of Chinese chamber oil rig. Chinatown. So it's more like a Chinese place. Singapore is like for Chinese, no? Singapore is mostly Chinese.
Yeah.
Ever
the
since.
major is,
Yeah. What's this? This is a social table. Looks nice, huh? How do you do this? Tap to create a poster.
You can see how it like drew it.
Oh. So this is my part. Okay. Okay. We are here in Merlion Park. This is the biggest Merlion statue. It's that big.
There's one more Merlion here. Like
Where?
in Sentosa.
Oh yeah, in Sentosa. Is it bigger than this one?
You can even go inside Merlion.
Oh, it's so big. I remember I saw that one back in 2013, but we didn't go there. We were riding a bus, but we saw it very far.
You guys didn't go in there.
No, we didn't ride there. There's a lot of people here. Yeah. And there's the Marina Bay. And what do you call that?
That is
Okay, so we're sitting down and my food just came, and here it is. Wow. It's a katsu, pork katsu with curry sauce. Delicious. Yeah, I'm waiting for my friend. so we have finished eating earlier. I didn't do a video or something. It would be embarrassing. And yeah, we're just chilling right now. And there's Justin. So later on we'll be going. Maybe we'll go to the Marina Bay Sands to watch some of the parade and go home afterwards. So we're on our way to the MRT so that we can like watch it. Eh, totoo yan?
live here.
Tingnan mo. Look at that. It's the live feed of the National Parade. Wow. So we're walking right now. And we're gonna watch the parade. Kind of in the parade. We're gonna like traveling with trains and walk, transport platforms. It is already night. Well, not really night since it's still bright here by the time of 7:30. Yeah. And a lot of people here are watching. Yesterday's the National Day of Singapore. The 53rd birthday of Singapore. Eesh. Almost near. Hey, look at that.
Ay, kabla ng guys. Okay. Baka ng platform din ako. Bumaba ka ng platform din. Bumaba ka ng platform din.
Sige. May sign naman eh. No? Okay, bye. So we're going home. We're on my way home.
Oh yeah.
There's the road.
Doors are closing.
So we're going off at Bayfront, okay?
Hey guys, so I just got back home and it's a really tiring walk, and I really had fun meeting up with my old friend, and also thanks to him for like touring me in Singapore. Not really a tour, but we just like walk all around Singapore. It's really tiring because we're looking for a good spot where we could see the fireworks clearly, and we got from the highways, the dark areas. Also, we actually end up going to highways, other kinds of places, and walk all around Singapore. Plus, we ended up from a really far station from where we actually started, because we were like on the red line only, but we end up being on the yellow line. It's really tiring. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and good night. Bye. What's up guys? So it's day 4 and we're on our way to the bowling alley. We're gonna play bowling. So we're walking and we're gonna ride cab. So we'll be going. So guys, we have arrived. So we're walking here right now here at Bukit Batok Club, okay? So we'll go up and then we're gonna go to the room. I'll see you later. Look at the bowling alley. About to change my shoes in 3, 2, 1. Scoreboard update. Go! Whoa! Yeah. We have finished bowling. My brother here is playing around with this stuff. Oh, I have powers. Okay, so we're going out now. And yeah, we are really bad at bowling. Yay! I enjoyed. But my friend is really good. I only got one strike. So yeah, I'll just see you guys later. Peace out.